We are here for you. Beyond just chilling, empowering you to work smarter, achieve more, and create a better business environment. No matter where you are, we're always by your side. Through our differentiated core technologies, we connect you to a better tomorrow. We are LG Chiller, leading the future of HVAC. LG Chiller Business. We operate a global network of production, sales, service, and training facilities. Each stage, from R&D to maintenance, is optimized locally to provide specialized solutions. Our world-class manufacturing facilities across Korea and China ensure high reliability through expert engineering. With over 50 years of continuous innovation and strict quality control, we are well-established pathfinders in the industry. Every stage of production undergoes rigorous testing to uphold quality and precision. From centrifugal compressors to heat exchangers, every process is crafted internally to achieve optimal efficiency and performance. Through AHRI certification, we ensure consistent and precise performance, conducting thorough testing under 3,000 refrigeration ton and 13,800 volt conditions to deliver dependable reliability. Tailored solutions are verified through commissioning, with data collected throughout the process to ensure sustainable, high-quality performance. We provide real-time performance validation services, accessible online or offline from any location. Drawing on operational experience in demanding environments like nuclear power plants, we ensure unmatched durability and stability. A partner you can trust with your future. Our AI-driven maintenance predicts the ideal timing for overhauls and cleaning, providing proactive services to ensure optimal performance. LG Chiller offers tailored cooling solutions with a complete lineup, from small to large-scale systems. The centrifugal chiller has achieved world-leading efficiency and low load stability, and also has magnetic bearing compressor technology. The air-cooled inverter scroll chiller uses inverter technology with R32 refrigerant, offering low GWP. The air-cooled screw chiller uses black fins as a corrosion-resistant solution, while the water-cooled chiller is equipped with a falling film heat exchanger to enhance reliability. We also offer liquid cooling solutions, such as CDUs and cold plates, expanding beyond airside systems. Through our diverse range of chillers, we deliver precise, efficient, and optimal solutions for all industries and applications. LG BMS provides optimized control solutions for seamless building integration, enabling comprehensive control and energy management. We bring innovation for both people and the planet to countless unseen spaces worldwide. Beyond imagination, comfort air. Ahead of the expected with LG HVAC Solutions.